Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this retro jam and coconut sponge. So first I'm just going to start out by mixing my butter, making it a little bit softer. Ensure that you use butter that is room temperature so that the mixture doesn't curdle. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Then you can gradually add in your sugar until the mixture becomes white and fluffy. Once the mixture has become white and fluffy, you can gradually add in your egg. Again, add this in slowly but surely so that the mixture doesn't curdle. Then add in your milk, bicarbonate soda, baking powder, and then your flour. Give this a good mix until the mixture is fully smooth. Add the mixture to a lined greased baking tray and bake for 35 minutes on 180 degrees. Once golden brown, place a skewer in the center of the cake to check that it's cooked. Then you can pierce a few holes in the cake, allow the cake to fully cool, and then you can brush over your strawberry jam. Then add over your desiccated coconut, and then you can slice and serve. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!